Hey guys, sorry for not posting, but beside working on my full-time job and working some various projects, I indulge myself in some amazing book readings. And if you allow me, I want to quickly present some of them to you. So the first one, I think this book is one of the best reads so far. It's 1984 by George Orwell. Story is that with Winston Smith, person that live in a oppression country called Oceania, a place where Big Brother follows and dictates everything, where you can get into trouble even for your own thoughts. Sound familiar? I don't want to disclose further because this book is that good. I think the best part from this book is the last word from this story. It was just amazing. I will forever look into another book from now on. I truly recommend this one. My second read book was The Master and Margarita by Vintage Bulgakov. It's a Russian writer. Where do I start with this one? I truly love this story. It's a darkly comedy. The devil arrived in Moscow disguised as a Professor Roland, and for a week almost every people in the city got mad. One of the most interesting part was the Pontius Pilate story. This book is so well constructed that I was living the story into the story. It's just amazing. Actually, I never think until now the perspective of Pontius Pilate, the procurator and political pressure to prosecute Jesus, and then the blame for the thousands of years from people. Really interesting point of view that I never thought of that. So this book, it will construct it with 3 lines of action, if I'm not mistaken, that will keep you reading all day long. I strongly recommend this book. My third one that I've started and still reading is about financial education and personal development called Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. The title for me was a bit weird, but I think it's because of what I've thought all my life. Money or bad, money or the devil, etc. But after reading a few lines, it instantly get all my attention. You will find story about truly people motivation and not influenced by surrounding influence like other people. I'm still reading this one. I got to persistence part, so I will continue from persistence. But I think I can truly recommend it. Only if I go to the table of context, you will see the most important title that I've read so far: Desire, Fate, Autosuggestion, and so on and so forth. So I do recommend this one. I love it. I think I will buy more by Napoleon Hill and read it more. Now for the next book, I will need all my extra time because of this. I want to start and run Atlas Shrugged. After the Fountainhead, I'm super eager to start reading this one. It will take a while, but I think I have all the summer for this one. So I can't wait to read it. Well, that's it for now. I hope you'll find this video interesting enough to start reading these books. Yes, this one. I truly recommend this one, 1984 by George Orwell. I did read another ones, but I only wanted to show the best that I love, and I truly recommend it. Tomorrow I will upload about non-photorealistic render, and it will have 2 parts. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Take care.